I was on the board between 1984 and 1986, and then in 1986 I took the position of president. I had agreed to do it in the year before. So I began to try to tell our story and to formulate, and he became ill at the time. But I began to try to formulate a finite plan of how we would achieve this incredible goal. And we put together a team of planners that represented the cultural community, the public sector, outside consultants, you know, the process that you go through. And we developed a plan. But as I went around the community at the beginning to present the plan, it was rough going. Most people thought that's impossible, and in a city like Pittsburgh. But of course it worked, and it worked beautifully. We had a number of wonderful members of the board in the early years who were also very visionary, and so it was a team approach